Welcome to the Sparktacular journey with me, Frankie the Fox. Have you ever wondered how flipping a switch makes your lights turn on?
Wait, what? I think I left the lights on in the kitchen.
Today, we'll follow electricity's amazing journey from where it's made to the grid and all the way to your home. But first, let's get sparked up with an electric song.
Zap, zap, zoom. Zap, zap, zoom. Zap, zap, zoom. Zap, zap, zoom.
Power flows through wires, zooming fast like electric flyers. Power flows through wires, zooming fast like electric flyers.
Zap, zap, zoom. Zap, zap, zoom. Zap, zap, zoom. Zap, zap, zoom.
Through the grid and down the line, to your home, it's power time. Through the grid and down the line, to your home, it's power time.
Zap, zap, zoom. Zap, zap, zoom. Zap, zap, zoom. Zap, zap, zoom.
Zap, zap, zoom. Zap, zap, zoom. Zap, zap. Wait! How long have you been filming me? It's totally fine. I'm a great singer and I look fantastic.
Did you know that electricity moves faster than a cheetah?
Whoa!
Electricity is made in all sorts of places. From power stations to wind turbines in the ocean and from solar panels. Electricity travels through something called the grid and into your home. The grid is a network made up of giant wires on tall poles, pylons and underground cables, which take the electricity from where it is generated to people all over the country. Isn't it amazing that something invisible makes so many things work? Making electricity takes lots of people working and thinking smart. Let's jump over to the Good News Report with Wilfred Walrus to meet one.
Earth Cub's Hero, with me, Wilfred Walrus. Today we're meeting a true sky-high hero, an incredible helicopter pilot who helps keep the country powered up. Electricity pylons are the tall towers that carry power across the land. They need to be checked all the time to make sure they are safe and working. And guess who zooms through the skies to make that happen? That's right, helicopter pilots. Using super cool equipment, they spot problems from the air, like a broken wire or fallen trees. These super pilots make sure electricity keeps buzzing to our homes and schools.
Whoa, wicked! Electricity helps me make my hot chocolate.
Can I have some, Dave?
Absolutely not. Squawk! 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 Joke alert! Why did the light bulb break up with the socket? They had no connection! What's an electrician's favourite dessert? Anything with currants!
I think those parrots get their jokes out of Christmas crackers. Anyway, it's time for a quiz. How many can you get right?
Quiz time! With me, the Quiz Jaguar. How does electricity travel to your home? On the back of the cheetah or through wires connected to the grid?
3, 2, 1.
The answer is B. Electricity travels from power stations through wires and poles called the grid to reach your home and power your lights, gadgets, and more. What helps create clean energy? A. Wind turbines or B. A giant toaster? The answer is A. Wind turbines use the power of the wind to generate electricity without creating pollution. How amazing is that? Top quizzing, Earth Cubs!
I love a quiz. Did you get both answers right? Let's see what facts the geezer rats have got for us on electricity.
Did you know? With me, the Geezer Rat.
And me, his cousin Pinky.
Did you know that electricity can travel 186,000 miles in just 1 second?
That's fast enough to go round the Earth 7 times.
How on earth do you know this stuff?
Ready, set, go!
Yeehaw! Do good dares. Howdy, Earth Cubs. It's Wayne the Worm here, and I just love doing good dares. Have I got a do good dare for you today? Find one thing in your house that uses electricity and figure out how you could use it less. Maybe turn off the lights when you leave a room, or unplug your tablet when it's charged. You're helping the planet every time you save electricity. Yeehaw!
Wow! What a journey electricity takes to power up your world. Now you know where it comes from and how to use it wisely. Thanks for joining me on the Sparktacular journey. See you soon, Earth Cubs.
Squawk! Hello, Earth Cubs. I am the Party Parrot. Today, we're shining a big bright light on something incredible. The sun! Did you know the sun is not just for warming you up? Did you know the sun is not just for wearing sunglasses?
Yeah.
Did you know it's not just for growing plants and flowers? The sun is also a superstar for creating power. Buckle up, because we're off on a sun-filled, solar-powered adventure.
Sun, sun, you're super fun. You shine on me and everyone. Sun, sun, you're super fun. You shine on me and everyone.
Solar power makes things go. Solar power, whoa-oh. On the roof, soak up the rays, making energy for all our days.
Sun, sun, you're super fun. You shine on me and everyone. Sun, sun, you're super fun. You shine on me and everyone.
Solar power makes things go. Solar power, whoa-oh. On the roof, soak up the rays, making energy for all our days.
Sun, sun, you're super fun. You shine on me and everyone. Sun, sun, you're super fun. You shine on me and everyone.
The sun is amazing!
Hi.
Even though the sun is 93 million miles away, it still powers things here on Earth.
Yeah.
Solar panels catch sunlight and turn it into electricity, like magic. Solar power is called renewable energy because it doesn't run out. And it's clean because when we get power from the sun, we don't have to take natural resources like coal and gas from the Earth. Imagine a world powered by sunshine.
the Earth Cub's Good News Report with me, Wilfred Walrus. Today we're off to Ark King's Academy for some good news from a school. Over to Tio the Tortoise.
Tio the Tortoise here. This is a very cool school. The solar panels on the roof means that much of the school runs on solar power. The students use clean solar energy to light up their classrooms, charge devices, and even run fans. Whoa, that is amazing! Good news there about solar power in schools. Until next time, Earth Cubs.
Squawk! 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 Joke alert! Why did the sun get a gold star in class? Because it was super bright. What is a solar panel's favourite day of the week? Sunday!
Those parrots think they are so funny. Anyway, it's time for a quiz.
Quiz time! With me, the Quiz Jaguar.
What do solar panels use to make electricity? A. Wind, or B. The sun?
3, 2, 1.
B. Solar panels use the sun to create electricity. What is the best thing about solar power? A. It's clean. B. It's super smelly.
3, 2, 1.
A. Solar power is clean energy, so it's great for the planet.
Did you know? With me, the Geezer Rat.
And me, his cousin Pinky.
Did you know that enough sunlight hits the Earth in 1 hour to power the whole world for a year?
That's amazing! If only we could catch it all! We should use more solar panels!
Whoa!
Squawk! Those rats love a good fact! Right, now for a Do Good Dare, so you can get involved! Yeehaw! Do Good Dares! Howdy, Earth Cubs! It's Wayne the Worm here, and I just love doing good dares. Today, I've got a Do Good Dare for you. I dare you to spot as many solar-powered things as you can. Look for solar panels on rooftops or solar-powered lights. Have fun! Yeehaw! Squawk! Thanks for soaking up the sunshine with me, Earth Cubs. Remember, the sun is your friend, and solar power is an amazing gift! Until next time, keep exploring, keep imagining, and stay sunny!
Yeah.